take a knife and kill. I'm like, yo, no, I didn't come Jamaica to lose. I broke down and start crying.
Oh. Yo, that's a lot, yo.
She spit in my fucking face and looked there and told me, oh, you can do what you want. Oh, you think I was gonna hurt you or go to jail? You spit in my face. All that I've done for you out of fucking love, and you paint this picture that you are crazy. Give me back. She's very lie and she's very fucked up, and I wish some of her friends, if she have real friends in her corner, would tell her that was wrong of you, or tell her not what. Don't listen to what she come, because she's gonna flip the story and make me look like the bad guy at the end of the day. I'll pay back the video again. She spit in my face.
Damn.
Who is lie? I'm not fucking lying at no one. And that's the reason why I called her friend, and she knows she spit in my face. After sending voice note, oh, she should have did more than that. Yo, you guys don't fucking know. When I was there, her friend made some soursop juice. All right? I was happy. Her friend talked to me or whatever. It was cool. I met her friend. It was cool. In the car, I slick her $100. I didn't want Kyhighlah to know because I know who she is. I gave her son, their best friend, $2,000, and I gave it in front of the grandmother. I didn't, because I bought a tablet and a game, and she said that, oh, you bought a game and that, why you need to give the money? First you run a joke, no, he's going to take the money and buy rum. Ha ha ha. I swear this on my life. And then she's like, oh no, it's a joke. She's all for herself. And if I tell you I want to buy your friend a bag, a Michael Kors, you shouldn't tell me, oh, her man wouldn't buy you a bag like that, and you're not envying. You're not. Yo, you guys don't fucking know half of it. So I called a friend and asked me, if you're dating someone, you got your face spit into, bro. You don't know who to talk to. You can't tell your family. No, listen, bro. You don't got nobody to talk to. You don't got a friend, and you saw a friend, because when I first came to Jamaica, I got a text, and the friend was like, a warning, like, oh, don't hurt my friend. I had no intention to hurt the girl. The girl told me she sleep beside me. She's like, you know what? You're not a bad person. You just have bad ways and you do bad stuff. But I slept beside you good. I called a friend. I said, girl, your friend, I don't know if she told you this, because when I do shit, she like to run and go say shit, but she never go tell her friend she spit in my face. I told her, I said, your friend spit in my face. I've been here for 2 weeks. It's not been good. She's been, every time we go dinner, I'm having dinner alone. She's always in her phone. I'm venting. I said, did you tell her I got the $100? No, she said no. I said, okay, good. I'm so giving. I'm so kind. I'm like, yo, if you need help with anything, I'm here. The friend told me, no, I can't do that. I'm like, okay, I understand you're a real friend. But it's nothing about I'm trying to look the friend or trying to fuck the friend. That's why she texted me.